Hello friends, welcome to Edifying Insights. Today I am here with an interesting story. The name of the story is The King's Painting. After listening to the story, comment your views. There was a king with only one leg and one eye, but was generous and competent as a ruler. One day, while walking in his palace, the king noticed the portraits of his ancestors along the hallway. He also wanted his portrait painted by an artist, but was unsure how it would turn out due to his physical abnormalities. The king invited all the painters across the kingdoms and asked who could paint a beautiful picture of him. The painters were confused about how to make a beautiful picture of the king with only one leg and one eye. All the painters politely refused to make a painting of the king. Then one young painter came forward and ensured to make a beautiful portrait of the king. After a few days, the young painter unveiled the portrait in the court, in which the king was seen sitting on the horse, with one leg visible, holding his bow and aiming the arrow with one eye closed. There was no sign of physical deficiencies in the king in the painting. The king was pleased to see that the painter had creatively presented the king's positive characteristics but not highlighted the abnormalities. The moral of the story is, look at the positive aspect of someone without emphasizing the limitations. With this story, I understand that there is nothing impossible in this world. If you determine to do it, you can do it. It will be possible. Also, do not look at the negative part of anything. There will be positive in everything. So, look at the positive part and keep the positive in mind. I hope you enjoyed the story. Do like and share it with your friends and subscribe to Edifying Insights. Also, comment your views in the comments.